Hello there, my name's Annette with Sunbeam Fabric Art. Welcome to my channel. I've got a set of 3 suitcases that are just like this in 3 different sizes. My super cute luggage tag got ripped away somehow during a trip. So I thought about what I could do to make my suitcase unique. I have a package of fabric paint markers and I thought I'd try them out on the suitcase fabric. I also got out my encyclopedia to give me some ideas for quilt blocks that would be pretty easy to draw. This was a brand new package of fabric paint markers, so I had to follow the instructions on how to get the paint started. The tips on these fabric markers were not working out well for a suitcase. So I looked in my stash and I do have plenty of other markers to try out. I didn't want to do a lot of quilting on this suitcase at first. I just wanted to see how it would work out. I'm doing chevrons here on one side, and that is something I really like to do. I like the way this little row of chevrons turned out. I decided to do pinwheels on the other side of the suitcase. I was going to do red and white. Unfortunately, I drew my red incorrectly, so I wasn't going to be able to cover that up with white, so I used a darker marker for the other color. Then I just put white dots on all the lines of these pinwheels. And here is my test project. This was done on the medium size of my suitcases. I'm not sure how far I will go with this and how all out I will go with this, but stay tuned. Maybe you'll see another suitcase of mine in the future. I will definitely be able to find this bag when I go to baggage claim.